Hello everyone. In this video, I will demo LoadTap's full truckload visibility platform, which allows freight brokers, 3PLs, and shippers gain real-time visibility, get predictive ETAs, and also status alerts such as loaded, unloaded, arrived, left, all within your TMS if it's integrated or right through our web platform. So LoadTap uses a variety of different ways to get location. It can use appless cell tower, where drivers simply just reply yes to a text message and then tracking starts. There are no applications required. Through ELD integrations, through TMS integrations, and also we have a mobile application as well. And today I will primarily be showing you the appless cell tower tracking, which is very popular among primarily 3PLs and freight brokers. And then I'm showing only our web platform today, although LoadTap is available fully integrated as well within your TMS. And those are the two ways you can get it. So with the integration, all of the location data, the ETAs, the statuses, the arrived, loaded, unloaded, and left statuses are all sent right directly into your TMS. So this allows operations teams to not open up a new window. They don't need to go to loadtap.com. They can simply just access LoadTap right within your TMS. And we've already done several dozen TMSs, TMS integrations with both third-party, some well-known ones as well, and then also in-house TMS. So we have a lot of experience, and our robust integration system, it can integrate through any method in which your TMS can spit out data. If it's API, if it's EDI, if it's XML, if it's FTP, or even if you send us a CSV file, we'll make it happen. And the other method is what you're seeing right now, which is the web portal. And this is also fairly popular as well with our customers. And just a reminder, although this is the web portal, keep in mind everything is available fully integrated as well. So here you see the map. When you log in, you see the map with red color, green color, yellow color. These are all different statuses and different trucks that are currently being tracked right now. Green means it's going to be on time. You can click any one of these trucks. Red means the truck is running late. And then yellow means that, hey, there's a potential that it's going to be late, but currently it's on time. So right now you have a summary of all your loads on the right-hand side, all these white boxes on the right-hand side, these PO numbers, and the current location as well are seen here. And then if you look over here, there's a lot of different bells and whistles that you can, a lot of different features you can use for each load. You can refresh the location. By default, we provide tracking every hour, so all loads are tracked every hour. In case you want to refresh a location at any point, you can go ahead and just click this refresh button. And then I'll go over some of these other features as well in a second. But to get started on the tracking, it's very simple. All you need to do is use some type of PO reference, load number, whatever you're using internally. And then we'll just put a PO number here. You enter the PO number at the top, and then you just put the driver's cell phone here. And then you click track. That's all you need to get started. You don't need addresses. You can enter the addresses later, and that's fully optional as well. So with this tracking, if you see here, it's a gray box. It shows pending opt-in. That means a driver has received a text message. The system has said sent one times here. We automatically sent a text message where it requests permission to track the cell phone and link it to the load. So all the driver has to do is reply yes, and I'll do that in a second here. While the driver can reply yes, they can also opt in via phone call as well. So if you see these two buttons, you have the option to send a text or send a phone call. It's an automatic phone call where the drivers can also press 1 or say yes to also opt into the tracking. And so I just went ahead and replied yes. This should change in a second here. And then it'll start detecting the location for that particular shipment. So if you see here, it's already found the shipment. It's in gray color because there's no addresses entered, so it doesn't know the ETAs. So I'll go over how to do that. You could just click this alert button here. It says manage alerts. What happens when you enter pickup and delivery addresses? You'll get email alerts notifying you when the driver has arrived, left, and then you can also get statuses loaded and unloaded. So let's just do this driver is going to Redwood City. It's a pickup, and then they need to be there, let's just say tomorrow, and then we add alert. And then here it shows up in green. It gives, the ETA. It tells you how many driving hours are remaining, how many miles are remaining. And if you look here, there's a status section here as well. So our system determines arrived and left statuses automatically. When a driver arrives at a pickup or delivery location, our system sends a text message out to the driver requesting to see if they can provide loaded or unloaded statuses as well. And they'll appear right here. And you can enter multiple picks or multiple drops. Let's say another one's picking up in San Francisco. And it's fully integrated with Google, so if you start typing in address, it'll actually go ahead and find it for you, make it a lot easier for you to add a pick or drop here. And then the next feature we have is the breadcrumb history, which is here in this case is location history. And then I'm gonna just jump screens. And if you look right here, this is a breadcrumb history. It shows every hour what the location of the driver was. You can click at any point. Helps identify service failures. If the driver was late, you can go ahead and see what happened. And also, just for your reference as well, just to see kind of which route the driver is taking. If you need the driver to take a certain route as well. And next, we have this feature called shared tracking. You can share tracking with your customers. You can go ahead and put an email address here, and I'll put mine, parmveer@loadtap.com. And then you can notify when to start and stop the sharing. And the customer will receive a email which provides a tracking link to the specific shipment. Not only will they get a tracking link, they'll get 3 emails per day, providing them updates at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and 4 p.m. Eastern Time, providing them an update on their load. If you have one customer that has maybe 5 of these loads, we'll make sure we'll bunch up those emails and only send them those 3 emails with a full summary of all the loads, so they're not getting separate emails for each different load. And the final thing that I want to show here is LoadTap support system. In case you ever need help, you can go ahead and just click this chat bot, and then you can just start a conversation here. So if you need some help, just say, "Hi, I need help." And then I'll put test here, so in case somebody responds. And then typically you can talk right with anyone from our support group. Our response time is typically within 30 minutes during business hours, 30 to 60 minutes during business hours, and within 1 to 2 hours during non-business hours. And then if you can see here, they're typing already, and boom, they can respond right away and get some help. And that is it. That is LoadTap's full truckload tracking. If you're interested to learn more, you can email at the bottom, or you can visit loadtap.com, request a demo, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.